Ready to ditch those Ethereum gas fees and dive into the lightning-fast world of Solana? Today, I'm going to walk you through swapping your Ethereum for Solana directly within your Phantom wallet, making it super easy and avoiding those complicated bridges first. Make sure you have some Ethereum in your Phantom wallet and that you have also downloaded the Phantom wallet app. If you have already downloaded the app, go ahead and open it. Next, we need to connect to a decentralized exchange, or DEX, right inside Phantom. To do this, tap on the browser icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Phantom wallet's built-in browser. Now, in the address bar, type in Jupiter, a popular Solana DEX aggregator that finds the best swap rates for you. Once the Jupiter website loads, you'll see a swap interface. You'll need to connect your Phantom wallet to Jupiter. Click the Connect Wallet button, and Phantom will prompt you to authorize the connection and approve the connection. Now, select Ethereum in the You Pay field, then Solana in the You Receive field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. Jupiter will automatically calculate the estimated amount of Solana you'll receive. Before you hit swap, pay close attention to the details. Look for any fees associated with the transaction, and also check the slippage. Slippage is the difference between the expected price and the actual price you receive due to market fluctuations. A higher slippage tolerance means your transaction is more likely to go through, but you might get a slightly less favorable price. Once you're happy with the details, click the swap button. Phantom wallet will then pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction. Review everything carefully, especially the fees, before confirming. Tap Approve to execute the swap. The transaction will now be processed on the Solana blockchain, which is typically very quick. Once confirmed, you'll see your Solana balance updated in your Phantom wallet, and there you have it. You've successfully swapped Ethereum for Solana using Phantom wallet.